Hey guys, we received this Yoobure dresser for bedroom with a charging station, 6-drawer chest for test and try. So let's just unbox and see the things. So this also have a LED lights, a fabric dressers and chest of drawers. So it's easy to store a lot of stuff. So you can see all these fabric drawers that we can install it later. So this is all the protective casing. So let me just take out everything and show you. So this actually case can be used in the kits or for the storage of multiple stuff. Also come with a charging station and the LED lights to be used as a night lamp. Can be used in any place you want. So this is all the metal structure and the fabric drawer. So this is around 30 inches in length, 13 inches in the side and 37.4 inches in height. And each drawer is around 13.2 inches in length and 9.6 inches in height. So these are all this material and it comes with this toolbox and stuff and the manual. So just take out everything and yep, just assemble this product. So this is the outlet thing, and the other like protective straps and stuff. Also, this is the LED light pack, the hooks and stuff. So everything is numbered, so it's pretty easy to install. This also have the two USB and two power outlet. So after the assembly, you can see the LED lights looks really nice, and then the fabric drawer is handy, and the side one to carry up the stuff. So with a single light, you can see the outlet, two USB, two power outlet, and the cord is around 6.5 feet. And the drawer are also spacious with the in-depth storage that can also be used. So the handles and everything looks good. It's very nice and sturdy dresser and can be used in any place. So this also have a music sync function with LED light. Very nice dresser set.